Withings Omnia is a groundbreaking health technology concept that represents the next step in personal health monitoring. Designed for CES, Omnia integrates a variety of Withings devices to offer a comprehensive 360-degree view of your health. It connects seamlessly with smart scales, blood pressure monitors, and sleep analyzers, consolidating data from these sources to provide a unified health snapshot. Carrying meals to work should be simple, smart, and space-saving, and that's exactly what the VLB Smart Vertical Lunchbox delivers. Designed for professionals and busy individuals, this lunchbox stands upright to maximize your bag space while keeping your meals organized. With a quick flip, it transforms from vertical to horizontal, offering flexible mealtime arrangements wherever you are. The VLB features removable food containers, giving you easy access to your lunch without any hassle. The Questyle NHB12 stands as a revolutionary advancement in the world of audio, offering the first-ever true lossless earphones for Apple users. Unlike traditional high-end audio setups, the NHB12 uses an innovative audio SiP chip and integrates seamlessly with Apple Music's lossless content to provide an unmatched plug-and-play experience. With its groundbreaking true lossless sound technology, the NHB12 ensures audio fidelity that preserves the essence of the original recording. Let your coffee break say more than just, "I need caffeine." The Pixel Mug P1 is not your average mug. It's a fully customizable, AI-powered display companion designed to animate your space with light, color, and personality. With 1,000 vivid LED pixels wrapped around its 14-ounce ceramic body, this mug lets you broadcast your mood, personal messages, or pixel art in real time. Paired with a sleek app, you can instantly upload animations, text, or images with Bluetooth control from up to 33 feet away. After dusk settles and your day comes to a close, the bedroom should become a haven of relaxation and control. Nighties is more than just furniture. It's a nighttime command center wrapped in elegance. Built with thoughtful design and smart features, Nighties enhances your personal space while seamlessly merging utility and comfort. Cut the clutter and recharge in style with wireless charging built directly into the tabletop. No cords, no chaos. 4 integrated charging ports keep your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and e-reader powered up and ready by morning. In fields where precision matters, whether inspecting jewelry, capturing insect anatomy, or framing petals mid-bloom, every detail counts. The Apexel Zoom Macro Lens transforms your smartphone into a high-performance macro camera, bridging casual photography with professional-grade results. Featuring the industry's first zoomable macro lens, this tool allows seamless magnification from 10 to 20 times with a simple twist of the focus ring. Want the entire spider in frame? Use 10 times. Need the claw hairs in crisp focus? Zoom in to 20 times. It's more than choice, it's creative control. The Aqara Motion Sensor P1 delivers a high-performance experience with exceptional functionality and future-proof design. One of its standout features is the impressive 5-year battery life, ensuring long-term reliability even in extreme conditions like low temperatures or rapid detection timeouts. Offering customizable sensitivity, this sensor can adjust its detection range to 3 levels: high, medium, and low, helping minimize false alerts and providing flexibility for a variety of installations. Step beyond conventional instruments with a design built for fluid creativity and portable performance. This is not just a tool, it's a gateway to musical spontaneity, where your touch becomes the music. Glide across the responsive fingerboard to arpeggiate, tap to unleash chords, or shift between 7 and 21 chord modes with precision. Every interaction is intuitive, with customizable mapping that lets you tailor the fingerboard to your playstyle. Few travel machines blur the boundaries between land, water, and shelter quite like the Triton. Born from a bold vision of eco-adventure, this 3-in-1 amphibious marvel merges the comforts of a microcamper with the mobility of an electric boat and trike. Designed to seat two and built to tread softly across terrain and tides, the Triton redefines how we connect with nature, silently, sustainably, and without limits. The amzn.to P1 robotic pool skimmer is engineered for seamless pool maintenance with dual charging capabilities, offering both solar and DC power for maximum efficiency. Solar power keeps it running during sunny days, while DC charging ensures it can continue to work even on cloudy days. With over 40 hours of runtime, the amzn.to P1 is designed for both in-ground and commercial pools, tackling pool surface cleaning tasks with ease. The Laundry Turtle collapsible laundry basket is a practical and revolutionary solution for handling laundry in your home. With its 26-inch large size, this innovative foldable hamper offers generous space for all your washing needs. Designed to simplify laundry chores, it allows you to easily grab and carry dirty clothes or move them from the washer to the dryer with minimal effort. Crafted for convenience, the Laundry Turtle collapses down to a compact size when not in use, making it easy to store and saving valuable space. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt-hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. When your kitchen demands power, precision, and efficiency, the Ninja Professional Plus food processor steps in with authority. Built with a robust 1,000 peak watt motor, it tackles dense veggies and stubborn dough with ease, delivering smooth, consistent textures across every use. The 9-cup bowl gives you ample space to prep large meals or multiple portions in one go, perfect for families or weekly batch cooking. The Anker 3-in-1 power bank is engineered for convenience and versatility, making it an essential accessory for those on the go. Its foldable 30-watt plug ensures easy portability while providing fast charging for a range of devices. Available in both 5,000 and 10,000 mAh capacities, this power bank can efficiently charge your smartphone, tablet, or other electronics multiple times without needing to be recharged itself. Minimalism meets precision with this thoughtfully engineered monitor light bar, tailored for professionals who demand clarity without compromise. The wireless controller puts full brightness and color temperature control at your fingertips, no fumbling with buttons or cords. Whether you're diving into detailed CAD work, editing late into the night, or simply browsing, this light delivers uniform illumination with zero screen glare. Its space-saving clamp design clears desk clutter while maximizing screen real estate. Built for utility and weekend escapes, this collapsible wagon from Black + Decker blends strength with mobility in a design made for real-world demands. Measuring 31.1 inches long, 21.2 inches wide, and 22.1 inches deep, it offers a generous cargo space without being bulky. Capable of hauling up to 176 pounds of gear, it's ideal for beach days, tailgating setups, or hauling tools around the yard. The wagon's heavy-duty all-terrain wheels ensure a steady ride over sand, gravel, or uneven paths. When every second counts and power disruption isn't an option, the E-Tank Power Strip stands as your ultimate gaming companion. Engineered for elite setups and demanding devices, this 200-watt powerhouse charges up to 7 gadgets at once without losing speed or efficiency. Its advanced PD 3.1 fast charging technology built on GaN architecture delivers reliable high-speed energy transfer, powering laptops, tablets, smartphones, and gaming gear in sync. When deep muscle fatigue sets in after long hours on your feet or relentless workouts, you need more than a gentle touch. You need results. The OYO Total Body Massage delivers exactly that. Designed with a 2-in-1 system, it merges lateral vibration and percussion therapy for powerful relief. Whether you're battling tension in your lower back, stiffness in your shoulders, or soreness in your legs, this massager gets to the root of the issue with precision. The innovative vibrating belt moves side to side, penetrating tight muscle fibers with rhythmic power. Crafted with precision, the HoverPen 3.0 is a revolutionary writing instrument that blends luxury with modern functionality. Standing as a symbol of cutting-edge design, it combines the classic art of fountain pens with a futuristic, free-flowing experience. Perfectly balanced in midair by a powerful magnetic ring, this pen turns your desk into a gallery of modern art, where form meets function in an extraordinary way. Modular by design, the HoverPen offers a seamless experience with interchangeable fountain and rollerball nibs, making it adaptable for any writing preference. In a world where the boundaries of AI are constantly being pushed, Code 27 emerges as the platform that redefines what it means to create, interact, and connect. Whether you're searching for the perfect virtual companion or looking to dive into a rich, personalized experience, Code 27 offers unparalleled customization. The platform allows you to build characters from the ground up, deciding not just how they look, but how they think and act. This is more than just an AI. It's your ideal companion, adaptable and tailored to fit your every need. The Tilt 5 system redefines interactive entertainment by merging augmented reality with tabletop gaming, offering a captivating experience like never before. Designed for both casual players and seasoned gamers, the system enables users to immerse themselves in 3D holograms projected onto a specially designed surface, creating a seamless blend of the physical and digital worlds. The Tilt 5 includes a set of AR glasses, a custom game board, and a collection of compatible games, making it a complete package for anyone looking to elevate their gaming sessions. The Fantic T1 Max Cordless Soldering Iron Kit is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precision soldering tasks. With a rapid 7-second heat-up time, it reaches temperatures ranging from 390 degrees Fahrenheit to 840 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for quick and efficient soldering across various materials. Few docking stations rival the raw capability packed into the Anker Prime TB5. It's not just about ports, it's about performance, speed, and control. Designed to meet the most demanding workstation setups, this 14-in-1 powerhouse excels in transferring large files, powering multiple devices, and delivering crystal-clear display outputs. Move a 150-gigabyte file in just 25 seconds through its ultra-fast Thunderbolt 5 port, ideal for creators working with raw video or 3D rendering projects. In every kitchen that takes flavor seriously, precision goes beyond ingredients. It's about maintaining temperature until the final bite. Eternos brings that principle to your table. Whether you're serving a 10-ounce seared ribeye or a chilled citrus salad, this hybrid creation, part bowl, part plate, part dish, was designed to respect the temperature boundaries your recipes demand. Crafted with inspiration from professional kitchens, Eternos does more than hold food. The amzn.to Tiny 2 Lite is a compact yet powerful webcam designed to elevate your video streaming and communication experience. Equipped with a 4K resolution, it delivers stunning clarity for any video conference, meeting, or content creation. The advanced AI tracking ensures that you remain in the frame at all times, making it ideal for dynamic presentations or live streaming. This camera also features pan-tilt-zoom functionality, providing you with flexible control over your angles for a more engaging viewer experience. Effortless plant care is now possible with the Let Pot LPH Max, a groundbreaking indoor gardening system that combines advanced technology with simplicity. The Let Pot app makes managing your plants even easier, allowing you to set a 0 to 24-hour LED lighting schedule, ensuring your plants get the right light at the right time. Designed to speed up plant growth, the LPH Max is equipped with a 36-watt full-spectrum LED light that mimics natural sunlight. The Ginkgo Alice mushroom lamp combines style and practicality with its unique design and advanced features. Offering a soothing ambiance, it boasts 7 vibrant RGB color-changing modes, allowing you to set the perfect mood in any setting. The long-life battery ensures extended use, making it ideal for both everyday and occasional lighting needs. Designed with sustainability in mind, the lamp is crafted from FSC-certified wood, highlighting its eco-friendly credentials. Ideas move faster when tools adapt to how we think. This device isn't just futuristic, it's built for the now. With a ChatGPT-powered core, it anticipates your questions, refines your prompts, and delivers smarter outputs on the fly. Flick your wrist and you're in control. Its precision, gesture, recognition responds instantly, transforming hand movements into commands with no lag. As an air mouse, it replaces clunky peripherals with effortless motion, ideal for presentations across 10 feet of open space. Precision meets endurance with the Zhiyun Crane 4E, a 3-axis camera stabilizer designed for professionals who demand intelligent ergonomics and long-lasting performance. Engineered for efficiency, its reduced weight construction eases strain through a 25% wrist effort reduction, a 20% sling grip energy save, and a 15% dual hold fatigue drop. The modular sling grip adjusts in length and direction, catering to hours of dynamic filming without burnout. Introducing the Novadrum Tongue Drum 2.0, a refined and innovative instrument that promises to bring harmony to your musical journey. This enhanced version offers a unique double-sided design, providing twice the number of notes and expanding your sonic possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a beginner, this drum is designed for ease of use while offering a professional, clear sound. With each tongue finely tuned, the Novadrum delivers exceptional sound quality, thanks to precise calculations of distance and harmonic combinations. Discover a new level of comfort with the Sururu Pillow P17, designed to provide an unmatched sleeping experience. This customized pillow features a unique 17-pocket design that adapts to your neck and head, ensuring superior support. The breathable Clima self-control system regulates temperature, keeping you cool throughout the night. A carefully crafted C-curve neck support aligns with your spine, offering optimal relaxation and reducing neck strain. The cool gel memory foam conforms to your body's shape, providing pressure relief while enhancing comfort. The V-Copter Falcon Mini offers a cutting-edge, compact design that combines advanced drone technology with superior flight performance. Engineered with a V-shaped bicopter configuration, this drone stands out for its unique structure and agility in the air. Powered by a robust 50-minute flight time, it allows users to capture breathtaking aerial shots with an impressive